take several of them and put them together. Let's do it the right way.
Zip ties are a wonderful thing.
They really are.
They even use them. Cops even use them to for mass
Yeah.
detainees. You know.
I have a zip tie machine at the house, or actually it's in the toolbox.
Makes zip ties?
No, it doesn't make them, but it tightens them. It's like a weird little handle, the clamp plug-in thing, and it's made for zip ties. It's got a feed.
Oh, you're connecting a bunch of them together to hold this TV.
Yeah, I don't have another rope. Hopefully there's enough here.
I think there's some straps in the garage.
Yeah.
Hate to waste all those zip ties.
Well, I used too many.
Can you preserve some of those?
Yeah.
Or are they already used?
Just,
Can you recycle the zip ties?
yeah, you just bend back and then you put your thumbnail in there. If you can. A lot of people don't know they can do this either, I don't think.
This TV's got some features on it. It works.
It does. It looks nice.
It's smart TV, got Dolby, HDMI, so sharp. I have a universal remote. We can test it.